my channel, Tasha's Merch Review. If you're new here, if you can hit that subscribe button below and hit that bell to be notified, I drop new content on this channel every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you're returning, welcome back. Today I have a haul and an unboxing of some Victoria's Secret Pink that I picked up a while ago during their annual sale. I got about 2 pairs of workout pants and 2 shirts. So let's dive into this unboxing. Alright, so I'm not going to show you the packaging because it's Victoria's Secret Pink and there's nothing fancy about their packaging. So let's open up this. I can't remember the colors of the workout pants that I ordered or the shirt, so this here will be a refresher for me. Okay, looks like I got a $20 off coupon, and I waited so long to do this video that it actually expired on March 9th, so I can't use that. Let's toss that out the way. Okay, so the first thing I got was this here. It's a shirt. I got in the extra large. And it's like a tie-dye color. I like this color combination. And on the back, there are some words on it. Okay. It says, LA is my sugar. New York is my spice. So that's cute. There's a little pocket here. It's an extra large. Nothing on the sleeves. So this is cute. I like this shirt. Very springtime color. And I'm going to be honest with you guys. I buy workout clothes, but I don't really work out in my workout clothes. So I really just bought this stuff to look cute. Comment down below if you buy workout clothes just to look cute in and don't really work out in them. Okay, next thing I got is the seamless workout pants. And this comes in a snap bag here. All right. So, here you go, the tag has pink on it. And on the back, some information. Bring it up so you can see it if you want to pause and read that. It gives you the best butt. It makes you squat ready. Seamless, 4-way stretch, breathable, smoothing waistband, and it's soft and comfy, and it has a high waist for full length type. Now, I got this in a large. Oh Lord, I hope I can fit this, but it looks like it stretches. And I will also try these on so you can see how they look. On the back, it says pink. And these are really nice, really thick cotton with that waistband. And you see the design on the back. Sort of has that dark blue color going around the front and the back. So these are nice. Okay, the next thing I bought was a campus black tee. It's a simple black tee and with the pocket it says LA Days and New York Nights. So yeah, this is very simple. Simple black tee, can go with anything. Nothing on the back. And I got this in a large. Alright, so the next thing I got was another pair of workout pants. We have the stretchy waistband. Has pink up here in a gold accent plate. And I don't know if you can see this, but it's actually a two-tone color. It starts with this, I don't know, what is this, like a, I guess a teal, into a green towards the bottom. And then you have this material here. It's like a design, but it's breathable. Okay, and then it has stitching. So these are really nice. And I got these in a large. If you're enjoying this video so far and have not yet subscribed, come on, it's free to do. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. It only takes 2 seconds to do. And also, can you give me a thumbs up? That would really help my channel out. Okay, so this shirt here, I believe I paid $16.99. The black shirt was $13.99. And all their workout pants were on sale for $19.99. So I got both of these for $19.99. And I believe my total came a little bit under $90, which Victoria's Secret is very expensive, but I always try to catch them when they're having their annual sale or when they're having like 50% off. So I thought I did pretty good with 2 pair of workout pants and 2 shirts. Like I said, I'm not going to wear these to work out. I'm just going to wear these to look cute. Find me some cute shoes to match, and I will be ready to go. Go and try these on so you can see how they look. I'll be right back. Thank you for sticking with me. This has been my unboxing of my Victoria's Secret pink haul. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.